And speaking of the prodigious Jaden Hibbert, when the National Stadium erupted on Saturday night following the exploits of the Jamaican triple jump sensation, there was one voice that was loudest of them all.
Jaden Hibbert's rise to global stardom in the triple jump, from winning the World Under-20 title in Colombia in 2022 to setting the World Under-20 record of 17.87 meters and making last summer's World Championship final, is not surprising to Ricky Martin. Martin, or Uncle Ricky, as he is called by Hibbert, has been integral in the development of the jumper, who set a new world lead of 17.75 meters on Saturday at the Racers Grand Prix.
Great anticipation. 17-13 this series so far. 17-57 already this season. Oh, wow. What is this boy up to here this evening? Goodness gracious me. He wants to jump out of this pit, you know.
I met his mom in 2006. Where I used to work, we had to communicate, and she asked me to get a job for her, and I did send a resume to the HR, and we became co-workers. And with me doing track meets, and she knew my daughter was integral in the part of that. She was telling me about Jaden. We didn't just end there in RGR Basic, which is just next door. And I said, just let him grow. And then she invited me to the Basic School Championship, and I went. I saw him, and I asked Miss Hewlett if she could give him a scholarship, and she took 4 of them, 2 boys, 2 girls, and the journey began there.
From sprinting to the long jump, how did he end up in the triple jump?
He was moving up and down with sports until Jeremy DeLissa told him, come over to triple jump, and he liked it, and then he mastered it. And he had signed, his mother had signed a scholarship offer to Tennessee, and when I found out, I actually called her into a meeting, and we spoke, and we looked at the best possible opportunities. We spoke to coach and past athletes, and I did my groundwork and research, and then hence he took up an offer at Arkansas in the midsummer.
Hibbert secured the prestigious 2023 Bauman Award, the highest accolade given to the best student athlete in American collegiate track and field. And of course, Uncle Ricky was mentioned in the acceptance speech.
There is a special person in the audience that I want to give special shout out to, is Uncle Ricky. Could you stand?
They wanted me to come to the World Championship last year, but time didn't allow that. So he said I had to come to the Bauman Award. That was a decision by the parents and him. Hence I went, and then surprisingly, he introduced me to the world, and I was very happy for that. I thought I was just there for actually support, but then he did, and it was very emotional. I felt very happy. I was shocked though. At his speech, he told everybody where it started, and I'm very grateful for that.
Hibbert is the hot favorite for both the Olympic and World Under-20 titles in August. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.